In pharmaceuticals, drying plays a vital role in ensuring stability, safety, and long shelf life of drugs. Traditional drying methods, like hot air drying or freeze drying, are effective, but often time-consuming and energy-intensive. This is where vacuum microwave drying, or VMD, comes in as a breakthrough solution. Vacuum microwave drying combines two powerful techniques: vacuum drying and microwave heating. The vacuum lowers the boiling point of water, allowing moisture to evaporate at low temperatures. Meanwhile, microwaves penetrate the product and heat water molecules directly, removing moisture quickly and evenly. The advantages of vacuum microwave drying in pharmaceuticals are significant. Faster drying time reduces cycles by up to 80% compared to conventional methods, preserves heat, sensitive compounds, protects proteins, enzymes, and herbal extracts. Energy efficient, consumes less power by directly targeting water molecules. Better product quality, maintains drug potency, color, and structure. Vacuum microwave drying is widely used in pharmaceuticals for drying herbal extracts, stabilizing vaccines, preserving antibiotics, and improving solubility of oral solid dosage forms. Clips of capsules, herbal powders, vaccine vials, and tablets being processed. Like any advanced technology, VMD has its challenges: higher equipment costs, need for precise control, and scalability issues at industrial levels. However, ongoing research is rapidly addressing these limitations. Vacuum microwave drying in pharmaceuticals is revolutionizing drug manufacturing. With faster drying, superior product quality, and energy efficiency, it is set to become a cornerstone technology in the future of pharmaceutical processing. Vacuum microwave drying, the future of pharmaceutical drying. If you like this video, please follow and subscribe. Thanks for watching.